Hey y'all, in today's video I will be reviewing a unit that I received from Nadula Hair. This is their Yaki straight 24-inch 150% density unit, and as far as their lace, this is a 7x5 by knots lace closure wig. The unit already comes pre-plucked, pre-bleached, and pre-cut. So here is the final look of this unit, and I honestly loved the outcome of this unit. The quality of this unit is definitely up there. It was nice and soft, especially for a Yaki straight wig. And my favorite thing is the actual texture itself. The Yaki texture just always gives natural blowout, and anything that looks natural and close to my hair type is always a win for me. For the initial install, I decided to go with no baby hairs, but then for this part right here, I added a little bit of baby hairs just to see how the style look with and without baby hairs. And honestly, I like it either way. Either way, I feel like the style still gives off this nice, classic, natural type of look. And lastly, I really appreciated how easy it was to install this unit. Everything was pretty much pre-customized. All I had to do was install the wig. Let me know how y'all like this unit in the comments. Thank you so much for watching, and stay tuned for my next video.
Nadula.